What is up, guys? Welcome back to Everything Trains 13. If you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, like this video, and comment that you did all those things. Also, turn your post notifications on. But with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So, this train car right here is the Athearn Ready to Roll 30,000 gallon ethanol tank car. And I got this in TILX or Trinity Industries Leasing. This car is $34.98 and I got it for about $30, so you can find discounts out there at brick and mortar hobby shops and online shopping. But without further ado, let's get into this. Let's unbox this. So I unbox all my stuff from the left side. That's just me. You can unbox it however you want, except for Walthers, where they make you unbox it from the left side. So inside the box we got some new stuff that is new to me, at least. So this is new. Signed up for Athearn News. The color and everything is different, so that's new. If you hear a lot of creaky noises, that is people walking upstairs. But that is that. And you have your parts list and exploded parts diagram. Typical Athearn Ready to Roll stuff. There we go. Also, if you guys didn't notice, this is the new box. They've had it for about a year or so now. But diving right in, I have opened this once. I haven't taken the car out of the box, but I did notice that there was tape over here, so I just took it out just to make it quicker, or a quick unboxing. So basically, it's a clamshell unboxing. You just lift the top off, take the soft plastic off, and very carefully take this stuff out. Tank cars have a lot of underbody detail, so my ways might be different from yours. And they have some protective stuff on the bottom and on the top. But yeah, and right here they have protective stuff. That's the black stuff that's protective. So getting right into this. I'm gonna come down here for you guys. Sorry if it gets a little shaky. Here we go. Alright, so we're here down to track level. Alright, so looking at the brake wheel side, it's black, so it might be a little harder to see some of the details. I will try and bring it up close so you guys can see all the detail. So, starting on the brake wheels, and like I said, coming into frame here, you have the brake wheel, you have the air compressor and air tank, you have some brake lines, you have the McHenry couplers, separately applied details, and ladders. The warning sign right there. Like I said, the brake wheel, just giving you a better look there. You have on the top here TILX and the car number, and the same thing right here. Maybe you guys can read that. I hate when I zoom in and it doesn't work, but you guys can read that for yourself. You got etched metal walkways on the bottom right here. See-through etched metal walkways. Sorry about the shaky hands. I do have shaky hands. But that's etched metal walkways. You guys can see through them. You have the car information right here. Car information and the yellow striping on the sides. More car information, the emergency number or the chemical emergency number. You got ladders and some more separately applied details. On the top, you have the openings and some really nice separately applied detail. Zooming out here because it is getting blurry. More etched metal, more see-through etched metal walkways on the top. And another warning label right here, if you guys can see that. Right there. Coming around to the other side of the car, you have the plate C, load limit and load weight, TILX 193002. And on the opposite side, some of the same details the other side. You got these McHenry couplers, as I mentioned, double shelf McHenry couplers. Coming around to the other side, I'm going to let you look at that because it is much of the same detail. I will zoom in to most of the extent. It's actually blurry. So There we go. Just going around there. Also, right here, it says, if it will not blur up on me, it says, these work, 2-inch comb shoes. I'm going to have to zoom out some more for that one. There we go. 2-inch comb shoes. Alright, so that was detail on the car. It is TILX, if you already didn't know. This is a product demo. I think I said review at the beginning of the video. It is a product demo because if you did not know, we took a look at this before. This is just the newest release of these cars. So we're going to do a roll test. I only have one piece of flex track here for this review. Sorry about that. But just doing a roll test, zooming out here. They do seem to have a little bit of a drag, but I'm going to see how far they'll go with just a little push. So, I mean, pretty good. Pretty good wheel sets from Athearn. And now we will do a coupler height test. And as you can see there, I'm zooming in here. It is a little low, but that's from my perspective. I don't know what you guys can see. It looks to be dead on or a little low. Check the other side. There we go. It keeps wanting to come down because I have a slope right here. Sorry if my hand was in the way, because it is zoomed in. It might look weird. On this side it looks to be dead on. So, couplers are pretty good from Athearn coupler height. So I guess that's going to do it for the review of the Athearn Ready to Roll tank car. If you enjoyed the video, like I said, make sure you subscribe. More reviews coming soon, and a update coming soon. No more layout updates coming for the month of February. There will be some in March, but for now, none. So, with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video, and yeah, peace.